everyone. Welcome back to Ame Makeup. My name is Ame. Welcome back to this channel. If today is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, you are welcome. Please take your seat and just watch this video to the end. And please, we are doing video today, simple makeup for beginners. Okay, if you want to learn a little technique concerning makeup, please just take your seat, watch this video to the end. And please guys, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, click on that notification bell so that anytime I upload the video, you will just be the first person to know. Please leave your comment in the comment section down below. I will reply everybody. Okay, and don't forget to give this video thumbs up when you find this video interesting. Thank you all guys. Without not wasting much of your time, please let's just go straight to the video. Thank you. So guys, I'm going to start with using this product e.l.f. to prime my eye, then before I draw the eyebrow. Okay, I'll just be leaving the product that I use on the description box. In case you're interested, you can scroll down and check the product that I use. Okay, just follow the technique. It's simple makeup today, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask on the comment section, which I'm going to reply every one of us. Okay, so when you are drawing your brow, just take a little time and make sure it is neat. The brow part of makeup is very important, so you have to concentrate to make sure your brow they are nice and neat, and that is it. I just use my brush to blend to make sure it look just natural. I don't want to see the ash line before I apply my concealer with my flat brush. So I use 2 shades lighter than my skin tone to prime my face using this product from Kiko. I'm going to be leaving every bit of the product, everything that I apply on this makeup on the description box. In case you're interested guys, please check the description box and keep watching the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Like I said before, in case if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video thumbs up if you find it interesting. And please click on that notification bell so that when I upload the video, you will just be the first person to know. Okay guys, and I have all my social media platform. I will try to leave the link, also then my Facebook page, my TikTok, my Instagram. Please guys, try to see what I'm doing on the Facebook, try to see what I'm doing in my TikTok, so that you can still support your girl and your sister. Please guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Thank you. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. This is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section down below. Till I see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed and I love you guys.